In the attic, each AC unit will have two condensation lines. They allow accumulated water and condensation to drain safely out of your home. The primary line merges with your bathroom sink. You may hear water or air blowing from where the pipes meet. This is normal. The primary line has a T opening. To eliminate algae, fungus, or mold from developing in the line, pour a full cup of chlorine bleach straight into this opening once every 3 months. It won't hurt the pipes. If this primary line clogs up, water will run out of the secondary line and vacate from a pipe right outside a window. It's placed there so you'll notice it. If water is dripping out of these tubes, you need to clean the primary line or call the AC company that installed your system.